It said that luck favors the prepared.
I mean, this is the plow. This is what's on the ground, and this was basically is going to clear the streets for you.
When snowstorms are hard to foresee,
When it snows, it's game time.
that's where preparation is key.
Keep the city safe. You know, we got to keep it going. We run 24/7.
Wesley Griffin has been a heavy truck driver with SDOT for 7 years.
It's a big truck. Who don't like big trucks? I've liked them since I was a kid.
He's one of many snowplow drivers conducting a dry run ahead of wintry conditions.
We have these steel plates on the ground here, you know what I mean? And this is something you want to remember. If your plow is down, you want to pull the plow up so you don't damage anything.
Working 12 hours straight, plowing the roads and helping people who get stuck.
If it's snowing, you don't really see those. You definitely don't want to hit them.
There are 35 plows, and SDOT has trained more than 130 drivers. Last season, WashDOT had a snowplow driver shortage, one that SDOT says wasn't an issue in Seattle.
We train employees and drivers from many different departments to make sure that we are staffed up to the greatest degree that we can heading into the winter.
And to reiterate, there is no lowland snow expected here in Seattle now. This is really to prepare for future snow once winter does hit. And now it also is important to note that not every street is going to be plowed. It's just going to be those main streets like here on First Avenue that connect to those critical transit routes. Live here in Seattle, I'm Kristen Goodwillie, King 5 News.